Hi RP. So this tenant I was using and then I unsubscribed this tenant from the master app. So when I first time when I subscribed, the invoice got generated, and now the status of this tenant is unsubscribed. So now I'm trying to subscribe with the same card that I had added. Yeah, so while doing that, I'm getting this something went wrong. Please contact your Steven support, and in the console, getting some bad request. If I try by adding new payment method, in that case also getting one error. This is the test card from that we are using for testing purpose. Yeah, so while adding this, I'm getting this record cannot be found. Yeah, so this is happening for the when I try to unsubscribe and subscribe to the tenant. This new tenant I have created, and here the subscription is working. I just subscribe. I sign up to the new tenant and then subscribe to it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.